I am so freaking mad right now. Oh my gosh. This looks absolutely horrible. I give up. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try the Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24-hour powder that has been going viral everywhere. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the video. So I have seen so many people talk about this that I had to get this. I had my husband pick this up for me yesterday at Ulta. I believe it was like $14.99. I couldn't find it at our Walmart. Our Walmart, it wasn't sold out. They just did not have it. We do live in a small area, so I'm assuming that's probably why. But I originally saw Michaela on TikTok talking about this, and the difference it looked like. It was crazy, and I'm like, I gotta get that. And then I actually went on the Ulta website and I was gonna order it, and I totally forgot. Then weeks went by and I seen so many TikToks of people talking about this product, and some people are saying it's amazing, other people are saying it's garbage, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna try it and we're gonna see. It is a powder. It says that it's a hybrid powder foundation, and I was told that this is like a medium to full coverage. I do have pretty dry skin, but I don't know if you guys can tell, I broke my camera. We're using my camera, but it's broken. So the LED screen is messed up right now, and I don't know how I did that. So I don't know how I look. I did put it on my computer, and on the computer it's not messed up at all, but when I look in my viewfinder, it's messed up. I washed my face. I went in with moisturizer, my under eye cream, some serums, and I just really hydrated the skin because this is a powder. And even though Michaela said when she used it, she felt like she didn't have any powder on her skin at all, I don't know. I don't know. Nowadays, I don't really trust people's opinions. When they do reviews, I used to just like jump on it and buy everything that people would talk about online. And I soon realized that they might not be telling the full truth. The only thing that kind of scares me about this product is that when I was watching Michaela's video, it was a paid sponsored TikTok. So she did get paid to talk about the product. Now I know a lot of people say that, well, if they're not going to talk about a product unless they really like it. I hope that's true, but we're going to test it out on my channel today and see if it's true. I watched a bunch of TikToks on this, and I think that the wet beauty sponge is the way to go. I got mine in the shade 102. I already know this is going to be way too light for me, but all the other shades were sold out. I'm going to prime my face. I did go in with a hydrating primer, but I forgot to go in with a pore filling one. So we're going to just put this in the areas that my pores are the worst. So I was kind of debating, do I want to just go in with the powder, or do I want to use a concealer like I would for a foundation? I think we're gonna try a concealer on half of my face, and then the other half we're just gonna go in with the powder and see how it looks. I'm just gonna use my Fenty Beauty eye brightener in the shade 03. I'm just gonna apply a little bit underneath my eye. Ooh, I'm running out of this. I'm just gonna go in with the smallest amount and blend that. I washed my beauty sponge because it was horrible, you guys. It was horrible. This is my second video that I'm filming after Vlogmas. I do have a lot of videos that are gonna be going up on my channel, but all of them videos were filmed during Vlogmas. So yeah, it's kind of weird to be in front of the camera again. So we had puppies. So if there's anything on my shirt, it's from the puppies because I snuggle and play with them all day long. So then puppies took up a big part of my day, and then I got sick. I got sick on Christmas, and then we had puppies on Christmas, and then little Peanut had issues and he ended up passing away. We actually got his ashes a week or so ago. We got them back from the vet. And then after all of that, my entire house got sick. It first started with my niece, and then it went to my youngest, and then it just hit every one of us. And then I'm the last one that got it, and I'm still not feeling the best, but I'm feeling better. I had a sore throat for a while, and then I was just really weak and tired. It was just horrible. It was just horrible, you guys. So I'm excited to be back. If my camera's kind of off, you guys are sitting really weird right now because I had to rearrange the whole beauty room for when Bella went into labor. But now that we moved the puppies out of the beauty room and now they're in the living room, they have this whole setup going on, I can now put my tripod back in place. So I'm kind of excited about that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the powder. This is in the shade 102. I don't know if I said that. What I seen was a lot of people just took their wet beauty sponge and they just rubbed it in there and started tapping away. So that's what we're gonna do. Michaela made it look like such a dramatic difference that I was super excited about it. Okay, the shade is not right. It's too light. I'm gonna go in with this beauty sponge instead. Oh my gosh. I am so flippin' mad right now. This looks absolutely horrible. Like, this looks so bad. Let's try the forehead. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. First off, yes, I am 39 years old. I have wrinkles. I have a lot of imperfections on my forehead. Oh my gosh, what is going on? I do not have a smooth face like Michaela. Like, I have issues. I have no Botox on my face. I don't know if she does. I'm not dogging her for that. You guys know I want Botox more than anything right now. But this looks horrible, you guys. Like, this looks horrible. Okay, so for some reason, it's like clumping up on my top lip right now. This looks, let me get a mirror. Let me get a mirror. Whoa, why do I look so bad in the mirror? This looks horrible. I can see all of my pores through it. Like, it doesn't feel like I have, in some spots it feels really super dry. Definitely underneath the eye, it feels really dry. It's not even doing anything to my nose. Like, my nose, No, I'm like beating my freaking face and it's still not going into my pores at all. Okay, we're gonna move on to the other side. We're gonna just move on to the other side. That's what we're going to do. Now I did put product on. I did go in with moisturizer, my serum, all of that good stuff. Does it say it's a powder foundation? Yeah, it's a powder foundation. How? How is that a powder foundation? I'm like using all of the damn products. This looks horrible, you guys. I am so freaking mad right now. Why? It looks so bad. Let me turn this down. Okay, this is me with no light. It's just natural, like, bedroom light. I don't know if you guys will be able to see more, but do you see this? Like, don't mind the wrinkles, okay? I'm 39, I'm almost 40. I'm gonna be 40 this year. Ugh. It's not a bad thing. The older I get, the more I don't like it. But do you see how it's like, it looks like fish scales on my face. It looks horrible. I mean, it's showing all of my imperfections on my face. I don't know. I don't know if you guys could even see that. Let me try and take some pictures and then I will put them on the screen here for you guys, because this has got to be the worst foundation I have ever tried in my life. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed. Let me go in and spray my face. This is the dewy set. This is for dewiness. Bet it's not gonna fix anything. Let's put some moisturizer back on and then tap it, and then maybe it will be better. Oh, hell no. Oh my gosh, that was bad. That was bad. Do not do that. I give up. So, this is what it looks like. Yeah, don't you love when people try to sell you garbage and they brag about it and say it's the best damn product in the world? I'm pretty sure it's good when you have a filter on, right? Like, I have no filter on my darn camera. My camera's like barely hanging in there. I'm so upset, you guys. I'm so upset. I told myself that if a product goes viral, I'm not going to try it, but I continue to do it. And I continue to let myself down. I even went and bought like the Drunk Elephant drops, and I wanted to try them out. I keep doing it. I bought even more products that went viral. They just haven't came in yet. I don't know why I do this. Do not go and get this product, you guys. It is literally garbage. It might be okay as like a normal powder. Maybe I will try that and let you guys know what I think. But as a foundation, it's garbage. I hope you guys are all having an amazing, beautiful day out there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!